Designing jeans is a world of its own. It is extremely challenging. Designing jeans is somewhat of an art form. To summarize it, I can say one thing that really stood out in my mind when I, as a fashion design student, asked to please be shown how to make jeans, is it was about a 5-hour process. And the one thing that always sticks out in my mind anytime I even try on a pair of jeans is that to actually make the seat of the jean, each side of the inseam of the seat has to be pulled at the same percentage, which is typically about 30%. So if you can imagine doing that by hand, the two sides at different times and pulling them to the same tension, it's pretty tough, and it certainly makes you respect your favorite pair of jeans even more and maybe justify that price a little bit more. So it's definitely a skill trade. So if you try to design jeans, you're not successful the first time, don't feel bad. Also, there are certain specific needles that have to be used, the fabric, there are certain techniques for the folds. There's a lot that goes into designing jeans.